Hello, this is Rachel. I'm in the factory. Today, I will be your guide for the factory visit. Just follow me. This is our office building. And here is our machine testing area. For every machine, we will test at least 1 week before the machine loading. You can see that we just bought more than 1,000 square meters of stone for the machine testing, and we will test our stone machines here. This machine is our big model, 700 CNC. It can put a maximum 700 mm blade and is 5-axis CNC control. And that one we will ship to Israel. This is our most hot-selling model. It can put a maximum 500 mm blade, and it has camera, suction cups, milling cutter, and industrial computer. We sell it very well to America and European countries. Now, let's enter the workshop. Here is the packing area. All these machines are already sold and waiting to be loaded. This machine we customized for one customer in Brazil, and it's gray color. And this is our edge chamfering machine for porcelain and ceramic. This is smaller CNC bridge saw. It accepts file from AutoCAD. You can see that our factory mainly produces bridge cutting machines and have different size to meet different cutting requirements. Here is the installation area. This machine we will produce for one customer in Spain. It's an sawJet machine. It combines functions of 5-axis bridge saw and water jet. And this is our another sawJet. You can see that the machine head and the machine structure are all galvanized to avoid rust. This is our new model, 5-axis CNC cutting and polishing machine center, and it's under testing now. You can see that it has 2 heads, 1 blade, 1 ATC spindle. It has 3 tool magazines, can put a maximum 24 tools. And it has 2 independent work tables. The back work table is optional. It's mainly to process spacing holes. And that is another installation area. It's a 4-axis bridge saw. And that one, we customized the color for one customer. Four axis. Four axis. This one is 5-axis. And this one also 5-axis. This machine uses CNC software, CAD-CAM. It has an air conditioner to cool down the electric box. and on our machine there will be no Chinese. This structure is hot dip galvanized to avoid rust. And this is our material area. These are some work tables. And these are our edge chamfering machine. These are some saddle beams. They are galvanized. We will galvanize both outside and inside to avoid rust better. And these are some big beams. These are some machine bases. And this is our welding area. We do welding job here. And this is our rust cleaning machine. We will clean rust first and then do the painting. This is the CNC machining equipment. It is a small one, and we have a bigger one. Let me show you. This is our big CNC machining equipment. It's from Taiwan and is very expensive. The precision is very high. And here is the CNC processing center. We have some CNC processing machines here, and we try to produce most parts of the machine by ourselves and control the quality in our own hands. We don't want to do simple installation. We want to control the quality of the whole machine. This is our self-developed main model cover. It's unique all over the world. We make a hole for the A-axis and connect to machine head. If main model has any problem in future, it can be exchanged easily without adjustment. And it's galvanized to avoid rust. Okay, now we are in the installation area again. These are 5-axis and 4-axis main model. In front of us are another packing area. Here is the painting line. We do the painting here. And here we have two machines under testing. This one is our 600 CNC. It has a very strong structure and can put a maximum 600mm blade. It's a 5-axis control with camera, suction cups, milling cutter, and industrial computer. This is our new design control panel. And this one is another sawJet. It is still under testing. That's all for the factory visit. Our factory is looking for business partners around the world. If you're interested, welcome contact us.